in this lecture, we will basically look at this question. Is y equals secant x an even function? What's the meaning for the even function? You may wonder. You know, here we have a f of x is secant x. Then the even function means what? Means you have a f of x, f of negative x, you have a f of x. It doesn't matter you put positive or negative x into the function, they are equal. Okay, that's the meaning for the even function. Because f of x equals secant x, so you want to see if you have a secant negative x equals secant x. Okay, if this is really the case. Now, look, if you notice sine secant pi is -1, you see? Okay, basically what I'm saying is this one. You see, you plug in pi into secant, you have a -1. And then you plug in secant negative pi, you also have -1. So negative 1 here, they are equal. So this means this is actually true. So this actually is true for all x. So secant x equals secant negative x. On the picture, you have a point on the right, you have a 1. Point on the left is also 1, means those 2 points are symmetric with respect to y-axis. So the graph is actually symmetric with respect to y-axis. Okay, it means the right-hand side is the mirror image of the left-hand side. Okay, if the graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis, then the function f of x, here is f of x equals secant x, is an even function, just like cosine. Okay, we know cosine is also an even function, and secant x is 1 of cosine x. So cosine x, secant x are even functions. Okay, that's the one thing we want to know. All right, now let's look at another question. Another question is that we are given a equals 2 times absolute value. Here means absolute value. Is secant 2 pi t. Now, a stands for distance in meters, and t is the time in seconds. If t has the value 0.72 seconds right here, and what's the value for a? So we want basically here is that we want to plug in this value 0.72 into this equation and find a. That's probably not hard doing this by using your calculator. Okay, look, you know, we need to plug in the equation. We do second, quit, we have this state. Okay, we know eventually this one stands for absolute value. So when we get negative, we want to choose positive, because this one stands for absolute value. So we may not input absolute value here. We just need to choose the positive. That will be all right. Okay. Now, before you do that, you want to make sure that the calculator is in radian. You see mode. Is in radian mode. That's important. If it were in degree, degree is highlighted, then you won't get the correct value. Okay, so we are fine here. Radian is highlighted. Now, second quit. So we do is 2 times between 2 and absolute value is multiplication. You may hit times, you may not, but that's fine. Okay? Okay. And then remember for TI-83, we don't have a secant here. We only have a sine, cosine, tangent. Again, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so you want to do is 1 divided by cosine. Okay? And then 2 pi, 2 second pi, times 0.272, close parenthesis. Okay, this will be for secant. Now, you hit the enter, you get a negative value. But you know, we got to choose absolute value. So the answer is 10.67 positive meters. Alright. Please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.